Tired of struggling with Retell Lecture in PTE? Let's dive into the best tips to demolish the Retell Lecture and hit that coveted 90 score. First, understand the format. You'll hear a lecture and need to summarize it in 40 seconds. Your score hinges on content, pronunciation, and fluency. Step 1. Active listening. During the lecture, jot down keywords, phrases, and the main points. Note any specific details or examples mentioned. Make it concise. Step 2. The template. Formulate your answer using a flexible template. Start with, "The lecture was about," followed by, "The speaker mentioned." Include 23 key details. Examples you noted. Conclude, "In conclusion, a euro," or "That's the main points." Step 3. Practice. Use online resources to practice with a variety of lectures. Transcribe your answers for self-assessment. Analyze your weaknesses. Focus on fluency in speaking, pronunciation, and linking words such as furthermore, however, and as a result. Step 4. Vocabulary building is paramount. Expose yourself to academic materials by reading articles and watching documentaries. Also, use websites or apps to learn and practice new vocabulary. Master the art of time management and practice. Achieving 90 in Retell Lecture demands strategy and dedication, so follow these steps to conquer Retell Lecture and get yourself ready to ace the PTE.